the previous class, lowest. Then on the midpoint of the next class, highest. Vector 1, position vector, midpoint, translation of vector, position vector, midpoint, translation of vector, magnitude, 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 magnitude. So you check on that. Yeah, check on that. Position vector, midpoint, translation vector. Matrix, matrix, matrix in your form 3, not the one in form 4. So under matrix, there is a lot to talk about. Singular matrix, multiplication of matrices, application in real life, and even simultaneous equation. Number 22, how many were those? Maybe I was not numbered. Application of sine and cosine rule, application of sine and cosine rule to solve triangles. Application of sine and cosine rule to solve triangles. Getting the angles, the sides, the radius, and then maybe area. Differentiation, stationary point, curve sketching, normal and tangent to a curve, applications in kinematics. That is differentiation. Stationary point, curve sketching, normal and tangent to a curve, applications in kinematics. Those terminologies, know them. At maximum velocity, what happens? A is 0, eh? Yes. At maximum height, V is 0, those ones, eh? So that you are able to know what happens. Area approximation. So under area approximation, we are used mostly on trapezium and Middle-Inlet rule. That's what we are used on. But you can also check on the counting technique. So these ones are obvious, but students forget. You are given a diagram of some map already shaded and drawn. Find the area. Yes. Area of complete square plus area of a half second. Half or twice? Half. Then lastly, trig 2. Lastly, trig 2. Yeah, the trig equation and the radian measure. The trig equation and the radian measure. So I've just given you a scope of what you are supposed to base on your revision. Ensure that you revise on those areas. Yeah, before sitting for your paper 1, pick questions on those areas and see whether you can be able to get your answers right. Boys and girls, we have done our part. We have taught. We have done almost everything. And we are preparing you by giving you guidelines on what you are supposed to follow as you approach your national exam. The next paper you are going to do is not any different from the papers we have done, but the only difference is that it's the only last paper. There is no second round. If it is a second round, then it is 2025. That is the only special thing about NET. It is written once and for all. So ensure that you minimize your mistakes, be very keen, and sky is not the limit. Operations, you are mwisho, no operation A out, no operation A out. But you can do away with E, D, C, and B. Yes. Yeah, as you go to that exam, I'll be praying for you, so that you score this plane. And like I say, if you get a plane, come next year for 1,000 shillings. But if you don't get, come with 1,000 shillings. I think I'm done. If you just get a plane, come for 1,000. But if you suspect that it is not A, carry along with you 1,000 Kenya shillings.
Thank you, Mwalimu. I haven't done that. Bado, Obama, can you organize a 4 factorial for Mwalimu Very fast. Well, pay attention.
Let us organize it from this end because they are not seeing you. 4 factorial, like to organize. Ready, go.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nyabera, having told us that. Okay, we have come to the end of our session. From here, you are going to take your breakfast, then you come back for English. But before we end, I want to say one thing. In the course of the year, as teachers of mathematics, we might have crossed your path in one way or the other. Because we want to set you for free to go and do exam without any sin. So we want, first of all, you people to forgive us our sins. Have you forgiven us? Yes. Yeah, with us also on behalf of my team, we are forgiving you in everything so that you go and do exam freely. Do you accept that? Yes. Yeah, we bless you until we meet again. Let's